Imagine being able to make money online simply by watching videos. Yes. You can be making $60 per hour only by watching videos online, and in this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm sure you don't want to miss any step. The method shown in this video is completely free and available worldwide. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started, and you can immediately start making money right now. So in this little video, I will show you how to create a free account and also show you which videos will pay you the most money. Before we move any further, you are welcome to Income Tree, where we share tips and tricks and also teach you how to make money online using your mobile phone or computer. So first and foremost, you have to visit swingbucks.com. This is a fresh new website. As you can see, you can get paid every 15 seconds on this trusted and sustainable website. You can make a lot of money by just watching videos from this website. Also, you can earn money for free in various ways from this website, like viewing ads, clicking ClicksGrid, and completing offers. At the end of this video, I will show you a bonus tip to greatly improve your earnings, so keep watching to find out. To start, sign up for free on Swingbucks by clicking on the register button, which will open the registration page. So just fill in the form to complete your registration. It's pretty simple and user-friendly to do. Make sure you fill in your payment details, don't forget that. Check the I'm not a robot image verification box and agree to the terms and conditions after you have read it. Then click on register. Once logged into your account, you will see different commercials and videos that you can view to earn money online. As you can see, there are a lot of companies on this website right now, which means you can have a lot of adverts to watch daily. So if you are still watching, the first bonus tip I will give you is to concentrate on micro ads, because you can easily make money by watching 10 seconds videos. After 10 seconds of a video ad playing, it will switch to a normal video. So all you have to do is keep watching and wait for the next video ad to appear, then you will be able to earn a lot more money. Another bonus tip for you is that you can do other things while you let the video play in the background. So if you have a mobile phone or computer, you can open numerous browsers on different devices. Once again, this opportunity is available worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you come from, you can still make money from all what I've told you in this video. Feel free to click on the link in the description if you want to get started. If you love similar content like this, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.